How to clear your search history in the Yelp app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your search history in the Yelp app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the menu section, simply scroll down to the bottom and tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, there you can see the option labeled as clear history. So just tap on it. And now here in the new section, again tap on clear history button, and after that confirm it by tapping on the yes button, and that's it. That's how you can clear your search history in the Yelp app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.